Introducing IQbuds from Nuheara. Now you have the control to hear what you want to hear, both in your digital world and in the world around you. IQbuds allows you to connect wirelessly with your digital devices.
Weather will be 75 degrees today.
And Simple Tap Touch gives you hands-free calling.
Hey man, what's that?
Hey!
But they go so much further by allowing you to personalize your hearing experience to different environments. They're perfect for when you want your music to tone down the world around you. And for when you want to balance background sounds to stay safe and remain connected. IQbuds are excellent to wear when you are exercising. And at the game, you can blend conversations with radio commentary and control the roar of the crowd. They even allow you to boost your hearing in moments when nothing is more important than being in the present. Join us in the Nuheara revolution.
We wanted to create a product that we ourselves would want to use every day. So when developing Skybuds, we paid attention to the things that people cared about the most: fit, signal strength, sound quality, and battery life.
The real problem with wireless headphones is that they always need to be charged. Charging anything besides your phone on a day-to-day basis is a real inconvenience. But with our patented case, whenever you charge your phone, you charge your earbuds. It's that simple. There's no need to carry around a separate charging or storage device just for your earbuds. And so when you go to sleep at night and you plug in your phone, not only do you wake up with a fully charged phone and fully charged earbuds, but we added an extra battery in the back of the case that provides additional power for both your phone and earbuds throughout the entire day.
Truly wireless means no more wires to get tangled on, no more cords to get ripped out of your ears, and our smartphone case allows an easy place for you to put your Skybuds in when you're finished using them.
We also knew that Skybuds would have to be the perfect companion for people with very active lifestyles. So yes, Skybuds are sweat-proof. And to accommodate small ears like mine and much larger ears like Jamie's, we've developed interchangeable bud tips. In order to make sure that Skybuds fit everyone's ears comfortably and securely, we studied tons of reports by ear surgeons and tested and 3D mapped literally hundreds of ears.
Not only are Skybuds going to look sharp, but they're going to sound great and the connection quality is going to be excellent. We put amazing speakers into both earbuds and used a process called nanoplating to make sure that all your sound is uninterrupted. In terms of battery, they'll last for 3 to 4 hours of continuous play, but remember, as soon as you put them back in the case, we'll start recharging.
We converged 4 products into one device: your truly wireless earbuds, your Bluetooth headset for calling, smartphone case, and extra smartphone battery are all compressed into a single, totally convenient solution that charges and stores your earbuds.
We've been living and breathing Skybuds for the past 14 months, but we've taken it as far as we can. Since we've put the best components in Skybuds, mass production is expensive. Help us by supporting Skybuds and becoming early advocates of the product.
We are super excited to bring Skybuds to you, the Kickstarter community. And we hope you love Skybuds just as much as we do.
Say hello to Revols, the world's first quick, custom-fit Bluetooth earphones. Guided by our app, you simply put the earphones in and let the gel-filled tips take the natural shape of your ears. By pressing the start button, you trigger the magic. The molding process activates, transforming the gel tips to their permanently hardened, customized shape. We've designed...
Wait, it's that easy?
Yes, it's that easy. We've designed Revols to fit you and your lifestyle. Our sports skins add an extra layer of protection and personality. But to truly deliver great earphones, the sound must be as perfect as the fit. And so we've partnered with Onkyo, pioneers in high-end audio technology. We're working with their team of acoustic engineers to deliver world-class audio and craft the ultimate listening experience. The custom fit provides enhanced passive noise isolation, allowing listeners to escape from their surroundings and enjoy every detail of their music at safer volumes. But for times when you don't want complete isolation, we've created the Revols adjustable soundscape. It's your very own volume control for the outside world. Revols have 8 hours of reliable playtime, and with the Revive battery pack, you'll get an additional 6 hours of comfortable use. And if ever you want to charge while listening, simply connect your earphones to the cable, sit back, relax, and enjoy.